like we have something to do with perhaps the increase of arrivals of
Definitely. The increase in crime is, directly dependent to the number of Chinese nationals that has arrived in here. So that is why, while we accept that there is economic benefit in the country because of this, but our concern being in the law enforcement function is the we can say the adverse consequence of this. That's why we are coordinating closely with the concerned agencies, not just to protect the Chinese national, but definitely our Philippines.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.